Hello everyone, my name is Mike Diaz and today's video is gonna be kinda different to the other one. There is no doodles here, there is no any sketch here, just me, you, and a special gift. If you wanna see what I'm talking about, please stay till the end of the video. Well, I hope you enjoy. First thing first, I printed this image of Cheyenne and pasted it on a cardboard. I decided on a cardboard so it could stand up. Then I glued it on the cardboard and cut it out. Guys, remember, it's a special day. Make it special. Be cleaning up the house or going to eat.
When I'm with you, I can't even have a care. Take all of my soul, I'm not afraid to share.
I used the rest of the cardboard to write a message to mom and some drawings on it. Well, that's all for today's video. Don't forget the likes and those things that you will say. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it seems kinda cool. Enjoy the result. My name is Mike Diaz and I will see you soon. This is how my gift for mom turned it out. This day and every day, never forget to show affection to all the people you love.
A little bit of color for my feet, a little bit of summer, what I need, a little bit of pass out in the sun, a little bit of stay up after one.
His name is Alfredo. Gracias.